Hi, I'm Ken Cutler, the Nevada County Public Health Officer. So today I want to let you know that I'm issuing two health officer orders that are related and are needed to protect us from community spread of COVID-19. So the first one is an order on isolation. Isolation is if somebody has signs and symptoms of an illness, they need to stay home and away from others. And the related order is on quarantine. Quarantine is slightly different. It doesn't mean that you're ill already, but that you've been exposed to COVID-19. And again, you would need to stay away from others and monitor closely for developments of either fever, cough, shortness of breath, or other signs and symptoms of COVID-19. So let's start with the isolation order. If you have been diagnosed by a healthcare provider that you have COVID-19, either they've told you that they believe that is your likely diagnosis or they've been able to confirm it with a laboratory test, then you need to isolate at your residence. Also, if you've been in close contact with somebody who has been diagnosed with COVID-19 and you develop symptoms, you also need to isolate. How long? We ask that people stay home and only access needed medical services, hopefully with a call first so they can safely evaluate you if you're getting worse. And you need to stay at home until you have 3 days of no fever without using a fever-reducing medicine, 3 days of improved respiratory symptoms, so breathing has gotten better, any shortness of breath is improved, and it has been at least 7 days since the start of those symptoms. If all of those are met, you can discontinue the isolation. On the quarantine, if you have been exposed to somebody who's been diagnosed with COVID-19, we ask that you also stay home, stay out of public, stay away from others, and monitor yourself daily for 14 days, which is the incubation period. An incubation period is the time from exposure to possibly developing illness. If you go 14 days without developing fever, cough, any shortness of breath, then you're released from the quarantine. However, should you, while you're quarantined at home, away from others, start to develop fever or cough, please call your healthcare provider to see if testing is indicated and for other advice, but then start to follow the isolation protocols. For more detailed guidance on it and the orders themselves, please see mynevadacounty.com/coronavirus. Thank you. I appreciate everybody's efforts to keep us safe and to decrease transmission of COVID-19 in our community.